Hey guys, it's Nadia Seed, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a DIY aesthetic room transformation. We've got a lot of work to do, so let's get started. Hi, and welcome to the before of my room. Come on in. The first thing you'll see is this really bad sign that's right here. But you know, we're gonna fix everything. We're gonna make everything clean and everything all nice and pretty. Come on, come in. So the first thing you'll see is this PC little monitor setup. And as you can see, it's like kind of messy over here. And then we go over to this bed, and you know, the bed is nice, but it just has a lot going on it. Like this blanket, all these dolls, and even out there, there's so many dolls. That's also just a bunch of clutter. But we're gonna fix that today. And then over here, we have this box. Now let me show you what's in this box. A bunch of fidgets. This is like my fidget box where I just have some stuff. But honestly, this doesn't really need to go here. But trust me, we're gonna get all of that fixed up in this video. And we'll even add some extra cool features to this room. Come on, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is really clean my room because I don't want to add stuff to my room if my room isn't clean. So the first thing I'm going to clean is I'm going to clean out all of these gray drawers over here because there's just so much junk in it that I barely even use. So yeah, we've got to get to work. Okay, I just finished emptying out all 10 drawers, and this is how much stuff I have. Wow, guys, this is just so much stuff. So, yeah, we're gonna get that all fixed up, though. So I'm gonna go ahead and go wipe out my drawers with like a wet wipe or something, get out all the lint and dust with a duster, and then I'll purge through this stuff and make everything all neat. Okay, so finally, after a lot of time of cleaning out my drawers and organizing it, I finally finished, and we still have to do a little bit more cleaning, but I think we're gonna go ahead and clean these dolls off of my bed and these dolls up here. Because I plan on putting new stuff in the little bookshelf up there on my wall and also some new stuff on my bed. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so now that all of my dolls and stuffed animals are out of my room and in the basement, actually though, I did keep Bobo, the bunny, since, I don't know, I just feel like he goes with the theme of my room or something, I don't know. But the next thing I'm gonna do is do some more cleaning. I'm going to definitely clean off my desk and yeah, just anything that I feel needs to be cleaned because I really want to have a super clean room so I can add stuff to it and make it awesome. And also I'm going to put this blanket somewhere out of my room. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to put it somewhere. Okay, so now it's time to decorate and I'm really excited. I got a lot of stuff, so I think I'm actually going to do like a little Five Below shopping haul. Hey guys, we are right now at the store and just wait until you see what cute stuff we're gonna get from my room. I got is this cute little dry erase board that is actually has magnet to it, so I think I'm gonna like put this on the wall and that way I can like write whatever I want on it. And also, you can't probably see it in the camera, but it has like pink marble to it and I think that just looks super cute. So I got this cute little snake root plant here and I honestly like just really love how it looks. I don't know why. It's also a faux plant, which is fake, and I don't know why, I just really like the vase of it. I don't know, I just really like it. But I think this will go really good with my theme that I'm trying to go with, and yeah, I like it. Then I got this faux fur pillowcase, And I will actually put this on my blue pillow right here because I really need a new pillowcase for this because it has like holes in it and everything, like over here. It just really needs a new pillowcase. And I like how this one is nice and fluffy. Also, it's fake fur, and yeah, I just really like it. Next up, I got this bed canopy, which is like these curtains that you can like hang from your bed, and I think this will go super cool with my theme. I really think this would be a really good like add-on texture kind of thing to the room. And yeah, I really like how it looks. Like you can see in the picture over here that it actually looks super cool, and I really hope that it looks as good in real life as it does in the picture. But along with that, I got these LED curtain lights that I'm going to put on the bed canopy. And I really hope that the whole picture comes together like it is in my head. And I got 2 of these because these are 5 feet alone in one box each. So I got 10 feet worth of stuff. And yeah, that is all I got from Five Below. I hope you enjoyed. Now let's go put everything together. Okay guys, so this is how the bed is looking so far. I honestly really like it, and it just looks a lot more empty, and I really like it. And yeah, I think I could definitely use like a throw blanket and maybe some throw pillows on here, but honestly I really like it. Oh, and I also added the board, which I showed you already. I just put it on my wall because it had like some sticky things on the back that you could stick to anywhere, and so I just stuck it to the wall. And yeah, I just like really like it. And also this marker has a magnet to it, and I can just like place it on there. I don't know why, I just like really love that. And also all the magnets that come with it. Hey guys, it's the next day, and if you're wondering I'm in a different outfit, that's because it's the next day. But anyways, I have a few things new that I added, and I'm really excited to show you. So first things first, we have this cute little dress that I put on here. If you guys are have been watching me for a while, you'll know that the Beauty and the Beast dress used to be here, and I actually removed it so it was just like a plain mannequin. But then my dad, Nadia Seed, actually decided to put this dress on here, and I think it looks like really cute. And so my theme for my room remodel, I guess I can say, is pink, black, and white, like themed colored stuff, and this is pink, black, and white. So I thought it was perfect. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, I'm really excited to show you guys this. My Nadia Seed also put up LED lights on the ceiling. So you can see some things up there, those it's hard to see, but you can kind of see it. But those are LED lights, and let me show you what it looks like when they're on. Let's go ahead and turn off the light. And here we go. Whoa. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, this is honestly really, really nice. And then I can do slow transitions. I can do smooth transitions. I can do a million things on here. It's so cool. And then I can play these little songs that have a rhythm to them, I guess. It's really cool. And then I can just put on one color and change the lighting. There's so many things I can do with this, and I honestly just love it. This video is not sponsored, but I'm gonna say it again. I really just love it, and this is actually my first time ever having LED lights in my own room, and wow. It's just, I'm sorry if you guys are just used to the LED lights, but I just really love it. Okay, so the next thing that I have to show you guys are these bed curtains thing that Nadia Seed hung up, and take a look at this. Okay, you cannot tell me that this isn't so cute. Honestly, look at it. It reminds me of a princessy bed. Doesn't it kind of look like a princess bed? Okay, anyways, these curtains are sort of like curtains, but they're really thin. But then we just basically hung it on this hook over there. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. With the LED lights on and the regular lights off, tell me this is a vibe, because I know it is. Look at this. This is just wow. Wow, guys. Okay, good night, guys. See you in the morning. Just kidding. Okay, anyways guys, we can't go to sleep because we have other stuff to do to make this room even more awesome. So now I have these LED curtain lights that I'm gonna hang up, and I don't really know how to, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so these are the curtains with the lights on them. I think it looks pretty good, but don't judge me. I've never really done this before. I think I did pretty good for my first time, but I think it'll look even better when it's in the dark. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, here it is, guys. It looks so pretty. Look at this. And then with the little white fluffy pillow and the white fluffy bunny Bobo, I just think it's so cute. Yeah. So on the wall I have some shelves over here, but I don't really know what to put in them. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on Pinterest and find some inspiration there. This is the big reveal of my room remodel. But watch till the end because I have something super special that I'm going to do to my room. Come on in. Welcome inside of my room tour. So this is the bed. I have curtains here with lights on it, and I just think it looks so cute. And you know what? I just look around and was like, oh, I'm sorry. Were you here for the room tour? I'm sorry. It's just so nice. I just love it. But you know, let's get a little light in here because I feel like it's just a little bit too dark. Oh yeah, we got LED lights. Woo! And I actually like the LED lights better when this is off, so ta-da! Okay, so over here we have this whiteboard, and we have 2 magnets over here, and this dry erase marker is actually, well, of course, writable and magnetic, and I really like that because I can just stick it on here whenever I want to. And over here we have Bobo the bunny, who is super cute and fluffy, along with our super fluffy pillow. And now over here we have this cute little plant. Cute little desk plant. And over here we have this mannequin with a really pretty dress along with the closet. Now you might think that closets can be a little bit boring, but let me tell you, before this closet was a huge mess. But now I think it's a lot better. I cleaned it out, I purged through everything, and you might think it's not that interesting, but to me, it's a whole different world. It's not that exciting, but if you were me, you'd understand. And just so you know, I got everything from Five Below except for the LED lights. So, in all, I spent around $50, which is pretty doable. And here are the shelves, but I actually don't know what to add in it. I'm thinking that I'll add like some mason jars full of candy, but the only thing is, I want to add candy in it today, but I actually can't because I don't have any candy, so we would have to go to the store, and right now the store is closed and all that stuff. And since I haven't bought anything yet for my cubbies, maybe you can give me a suggestion. Comment down below, and once I get it, I'll post it on my Instagram, and maybe it'll be the thing that you suggested. Also, I kept this picture that my cousin Marley painted. Guys, this is very personal and emotional for me, so I would like it if you could support me on this. Over here, in the shelves, and on the bed, you don't see anything, or you don't see too much. But what used to be there were my loved and cherished stuffed animals and dolls. Lots of stuffed animals and dolls. But I got rid of them. Because I thought this aesthetic would look better, And plus, they were making me really stuffy. But I still have Bobo. Now, I have to show you something really special. I've never done it before, and I'm really excited to try it. Are you ready? This is sage. And I'm going to use this to do some smudging in my room. Now, smudging is used to bring good energy into your space, purify it, and just bring some positive energy and vibes to your room. You know what I mean? So, how you do this is you're going to take a lighter, and my mom's going to light it for me. Make sure you get an adult to help you with this. You're supposed to blow it out, but it kind of blew out on its own, but I'm just gonna make sure. Now you're going to go through your whole space and make the air nice and cleansed. It's like a little wand. It's actually, I think it's actually called a sage wand. Makes sense. And I actually kind of like how it smells. It smells very pure and nice. We've remodeled this smudge. Let me know what you think. And as always, let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia. Bye. I'm going to sleep.